this is a bush leaf. It's
Okay,
called
ladies and gentlemen, we are in
comfrey,
Australia,
or
and
we
this is
call
a
it in
very
our language is
interesting and
ngapri.
educational video.
Ngapri.
The
This little
Aborigines,
plants
original
are for
native
when you
from
have a
Australia
cough,
lady, talking about
runny
the
nose.
medicine leaf that you can use.
Grab these little
There they
leaves
call it
and put it in
bush
our
leaf.
nose.
Let's watch the video.
It smells like a fix. Smells like a fix.
I like to watch
Boil
this
it
kind of video.
and we drink it up.
But we
And
use
then
something
we
like
get a big
axe
bucket and
or
boil it
like
up.
a stone to crush it so it
Wash
can
your
become a
head,
paste so you
wash
can
your, when you go in the bush,
apply it
wash your
if you
head.
have a cut or drink it.
Oh, it smells, body smells with all these like a big all around your body. Yeah, that's what we do. We boil it up
All right.
and we drink it, hey. We in a little container, we pour it a separate one, again for drinking one, and we make a bush in a bucket for washing our bodies, all around our bodies. But we use something like axe or like a stone like that. We crush it up into small, it smells, goes everywhere, and put it in the bucket, big bucket, for washing your bodies. It comes really nice and smell. Your body will smell like a fix.